Today we are going to show you a brief tutorial of our customizable digital planner. First, we look at how navigation works. You have 2 rows of tabs, one on the top that lets you create your own sections, and the tabs on the side can be used for the months. In the top section, each tab links to a table of contents. For each section, you have 4 additional links that let you create more sections. You'll see in the video how when we label each page and button, they link directly to the page. We'll also show you how you can copy pages and make as many pages as you need in each section. Duplicating pages is an easy way to make copies without having to manually build each page. Make it once, and copy it as many times as you need. Now that we went over the basics of how the planner is laid out, we'll show you how to add elements and customize the planner to your liking. In this video, we're using an iPad and GoodNotes. With GoodNotes open, we can drag our Files app to the side of the screen to do a split app view. This is the easiest way to do it. Once you have both apps open side by side, we can find the element we want to use. Just click, hold, drag, and drop it over to the planner. Once the element is in your planner, you can go ahead and adjust the size and position to whatever you want. As mentioned before, the customizable planner comes with nearly 100 elements to start, but you can also purchase additional bundle packs to increase your customization options. As we mentioned, we also offer additional element bundles. Here we're showing you the elements for dated calendars, which is available separate for purchase. Now, we're showing you a few examples from our budget element bundle. The budget insert bundle includes 27 different elements to create your personal budget planner. You will also see how we can easily add typed text into the planner. This feature works with any of our planners and is not just limited to the customizable digital planner. Have an unlimited number of possibilities with our customizable planner. We offer the customizable digital planner in both light and dark options. All insert bundles include elements for the dark and light planner. If you haven't found the digital planner that fits you, or you want to try building something more personal, this is the perfect solution for you. We always have great deals and ways to save through our newsletter that you can sign up for on our site. Link and information are in the description below.